Hello, I hope you are doing wonderful. I hope you're having a beautiful evening or day. If not, well, this is a video for you. If you're feeling great, this is also a video for you. Today, I did my 10K. I went for my run. When I woke up, I felt some sort of negative energy that I wasn't really aware of. I just thought to myself, I'm all right, I'm good. Even if I feel tired, I want to have my vibrations high enough that I can just wake up and go and do what I have to do. I pushed through my run the whole way, but in the back of my mind, I'm a little bit tired, bad type of energy. The whole way, it was a challenge for me to get rid of that demon, get rid of that type of thinking. I just said, Layla, you have to stay positive, enjoy this very moment, enjoy the moment so you can enjoy your run. How I did for my 23K that I showed you in the last video, the reason it went so smooth and so well is because I was mentally prepared. I was feeling amazing. Truly, I wasn't unconsciously just saying, oh, I'm good. How I got to that state was doing a simple guided meditation for positive energy. So on YouTube, you could just simply search that and it's right there, like the 10-minute guided meditation. I did a few of those after my run to release any type of bad thoughts because all I was thinking was positive and beautiful, vibrant thoughts. It will give your day full abundance, full joy, peace. You can just listen to their beautiful, calming voices. It really, really helps. I had to go into an analyzation about this because I thought, oh, Layla, if you run, then you'll feel great, you'll feel powerful because after every run, you always feel good. That's not necessarily true. Layla, you gotta do a guided release for positive energy. Because I've been doing meditation, but I've been using Headspace, so it's a little bit different. It will really change your day. You'll be smiling cheek to cheek. Go ahead and do your meditation. I just want you to feel amazing. Whatever I do myself, I know that if I share it with you, it will also help you. So I care about you very much. Let me know any of your feelings or thoughts in the comments. I love to talk to you. I love connections. All have potential and you know you do. Live in joy, live in peace. Take that wherever you go. So if you do these guided releases on positive energy, it will affect all your surroundings and your environment. Whatever you do, this energy, it goes into your task, you just feel at ease. Before I sleep, this is a must. So then when I wake up, I'm like, oh, Layla. Oh. If I don't have that light energy, then I'm gonna do my positive guided meditation. Let's keep raising our consciousness and our awareness, and so we can take care and protect our sacred, precious souls. My energy is really positive right now. It's vibrant just because of meditation that I did. Here we are. Feel good, spread the love, baby. Do that. Just search on YouTube. Any external obstacle to make me feel this way. I didn't need a type of music. I didn't need people around me. When you're by yourself, right, you gotta find that pure deepness, that abundant aura that you can share to yourself and to the world. This guided meditation, positive energy. This is life-changing. The sun came out. Look how beautiful it is today. In the morning, it was all cloudy. I'm like, and then as soon as I told myself positive thoughts, suddenly the sun popped out and I was like, wow, purely beautiful and sunny. Doing the positive energy meditation, it's amazing. I was like, I'm gonna miss the peaceful time I had on my road trip. Wherever you go, there you are. Positive energy, baby. It goes a long way. You don't need an instant dopamine of happiness. It's with you and it takes care of you. To come from someone who had extreme social anxiety my whole life, took over my life, it ruined my life. Not a word that I can describe how I feel. I've dreamt of this. I could not do so many things I wanted to do because of the social anxiety. Now I'm free. I'm maintaining it and taking action on things that will change my life and continue to keep me here, keep me in peace, keep me in joy. I'm coming from someone with extreme, massive, every single day it was there, miserable for so many years, especially growing up and realizing like when you get to high school and put into environments that are not your true self and being blind by it and having to fit in, all these other things that happen. Perhaps you came from somewhere just similar to me. There's hope, truly there is hope. Everything is possible. happiness and joy and getting rid of these type of diseases. It's all possible. So we just had conversations I couldn't even imagine of before in the past life. I was just talking to people, sharing my love, just having beautiful conversations and talking, vibrant, spreading the energy that I have onto others. I could never have done this before last year, last few months. I never knew this would be possible. That's why I'm telling every single person watching this that it is so possible. It is so possible. I'm so beyond grateful for meditation. Just had a conversation with a guy on the scooter. I'm like, oh, that's a nice scooter. That's cool. I want one of those. 82 and he was still on the scooter. I made a conversation with him. That's amazing. I was just sending him my vibrant, beautiful energy. I could never have done that before. Whatever you do throughout the day, I even cry in tears of happiness to be at this point because I never would have imagined this in my life. Positive vibrations, they can feel it, so we can't fake our vibration. It has to be real, and to be real, to practice this positive energy, guided meditation. I love everyone. I can't give hate. There's no hate. Hate doesn't exist. It's just love. I can't believe. Yeah, I can't believe. I just want to tell you that I'm an example that just happened right now. So, and yeah. Send you all my vibrant energy, love, light, and happiness. Just remember on those days where that energy is gone, it's a lower or bad vibration, just remember, turn to guided meditation for positive energy. Especially if you're alone, right? Because there's so many things that can maybe bring us down. Stay true to yourself, find that self if society has blocked it from you. Catch you later. See you soon. See you soon.